In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to simulate a watermark using either a faded image or gray text, even though DocHub doesn't offer a dedicated watermark editor. First, head over to your DocHub.com dashboard in your browser. Once you're there, select the file you want to edit from your recent documents or upload a new one. When the document opens in the editor, keep in mind an important limitation. You can't directly add or edit an official watermark in DocHub. Instead, we'll recreate the same effect. You have two practical options. Place an image that's already faded or semi-transparent, or type your own text and style it in gray so it behaves like a watermark. Let's start with the image method. Click to add an image and choose a logo or mark that's subtle. If you can, prepare the image beforehand with some transparency so it's not too bold. After inserting it, resize it to a large but unobtrusive size and drag it toward the center or across the page at a slight diagonal. If you see an opacity or transparency setting in the editor, lower it until it sits around a soft, readable fade. Rotate it as needed so it stretches neatly across the page without covering essential content. If the image overlaps important fields, adjust the placement so it stays noticeable but not distracting. Now the text method. Select the text tool and click anywhere on the page. Type the word or phrase you want as your watermark, something like draft or confidential, depending on your use case. Increase the font size so it spans a good portion of the page and change the color to gray. If transparency controls are available, reduce the opacity so the text blends into the background. Rotate the text on a diagonal and move it to the center for that classic watermark look. Make sure it's high enough contrast to be legible but not so dark that it competes with the document content. If your document has multiple pages, simply repeat the same approach on the pages where you need the watermark. Before finishing, zoom out and skim through to confirm nothing important is obscured and that the watermark reads clearly. And that's it. Even without a built-in watermark tool, you can add a clean, professional-looking watermark in DocHub using a faded image or gray text.